Welcome to English through Book Ideas. Learn English, grow your mind.
Would you try kayaking?
Kayaking. It looks exciting, but maybe a little dangerous.
That is a perfect opinion. Today, we will learn how to ask for opinions and give opinions in English.
We will talk about exciting sports like kayaking, skateboarding, snowboarding, rock climbing, skydiving, jet skiing, bungee jumping, and surfing.
By the end of this lesson, you will be able to ask, "What do you think of kayaking?" and answer naturally, "I think it's fun and exciting."
Or you can say, I think it's fun, but dangerous.
Let's begin. Welcome back to English Through Book Ideas.
Today's speaking goal is simple. Ask someone's opinion and give your opinion clearly.
The main question is, what do you think of kayaking?
You can also ask, how do you feel about kayaking?
Or, would you try kayaking?
These questions are useful when you want to know someone's feeling, idea, or personal opinion.
For example, if I ask, "Julia, what do you think of kayaking?"
I can answer, I think it's fun and exciting.
Great, that is a clear opinion. Let's listen to a short dialogue.
David, what do you think of kayaking?
I think it's fun and exciting. I like being on the water.
Nice. Would you try skydiving?
Skydiving? I don't think it's very safe.
Really? I think it looks exciting.
It looks exciting, but it seems dangerous to me.
How do you feel about rock climbing?
I think it's fun but dangerous. You need strong arms and good safety equipment.
I agree. I would try indoor rock climbing first.
That sounds safer. Now, let's break it down.
Question 1. What do you think of kayaking?
This means, what is your opinion about kayaking?
Question 2. How do you feel about kayaking?
This asks about someone's feeling. Do they like it? Are they scared? Are they interested?
Question 3. Would you try kayaking?
This means, are you willing to try it?
Now, let's look at answers.
I think it's fun and exciting.
This is a positive opinion.
I think it's fun but dangerous.
This is a mixed opinion. You like it, but you also see a risk.
I don't think it's very safe.
This is a negative opinion.
It looks exciting.
You use looks when you judge by what you see.
It sounds dangerous to me.
You use sounds when you judge by what you hear or imagine.
It seems dangerous to me.
Seems means this is your impression or feeling.
Let's practice with more sports.
David, what do you think of skateboarding?
I think it's cool and fun, but I don't think it's very easy.
Good answer. How do you feel about snowboarding?
It looks exciting, but it seems dangerous to me.
Would you try jet skiing?
Yes, I would. I think it's fun and exciting.
What do you think of bungee jumping?
I don't think it's very safe. I would not try it.
How do you feel about surfing?
It looks exciting. I would try it with a teacher.
Great. You are giving clear opinions.
Here are 3 more examples.
Example 1.
What do you think of kayaking?
I think it's relaxing and exciting.
Example 2.
How do you feel about skydiving?
It sounds dangerous to me.
Example 3.
Would you try surfing?
Yes, I would. It looks fun.
Notice that your answer can be short and simple.
You do not need difficult words. Just say what you think.
Now, let's talk about a common mistake. Many learners say, "I think kayaking is danger."
That is not correct.
Say, "I think kayaking is dangerous."
Danger is a noun.
Dangerous is an adjective.
Correct sentence, I think it's dangerous.
Another mistake is, "I think it is excited."
Be careful. The sport is exciting. The person is excited.
Say, "Kayaking is exciting."
And say, I am excited.
So remember, the activity is exciting. The person feels excited. Let's continue with useful opinion patterns.
Pattern 1. I think it's plus adjective.
I think it's fun.
I think it's exciting.
I think it's dangerous.
Pattern 2. I don't think it's very plus adjective.
I don't think it's very safe.
I don't think it's very easy.
Pattern 3. It looks plus adjective.
It looks exciting.
It looks scary.
Pattern 4. It sounds or seems plus adjective to me.
It sounds dangerous to me.
It seems difficult to me.
These patterns help you speak naturally. Now it's pair work time.
Take turns asking for and giving opinions.
Use these sports: boxing, golf, soccer, baseball, and wrestling.
I will ask first. David, what do you think of boxing?
I think it's exciting but dangerous. Julia, how do you feel about golf?
I think it's relaxing, but maybe a little slow. David, would you try soccer?
Yes, I would. I think it's fun and good exercise. Julia, what do you think of baseball?
I think it looks fun, but I don't know the rules well. David, how do you feel about wrestling?
It seems difficult and dangerous to me.
Great! Now it's your turn at home.
Mini practice challenge.
I will ask you a question. Pause the video and answer out loud.
Number 1. What do you think of kayaking?
You can answer, I think it's fun and exciting.
Number 2. How do you feel about skydiving?
You can answer, it sounds dangerous to me.
Number 3. Would you try surfing?
You can answer, yes, I would. It looks exciting.
Number 4. What do you think of boxing?
Try your own answer.
Number 5. How do you feel about golf?
Try your own answer.
Good job! Speaking out loud is the best practice. Let's review.
To ask for opinions, you can say, what do you think of kayaking?
Or, how do you feel about kayaking?
Or, would you try kayaking?
To give positive opinions, say, I think it's fun and exciting.
To give mixed opinions, say, I think it's fun but dangerous.
To give negative opinions, say, I don't think it's very safe.
You can also say, it looks exciting.
Or, it sounds dangerous to me.
Or, it seems dangerous to me.
Remember, the activity is exciting and the person is excited.
Kayaking is exciting. I am excited.
Now answer this question in the comments. Would you try kayaking?
Write one sentence. I think it's fun and exciting. Or, I think it's fun but dangerous.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.
This is English through Book Ideas, helping you speak English clearly and confidently.
Keep practicing one sentence at a time.
See you in the next lesson.